To start, create a new project. The window you're presented with will be the media browser, where you can select all the clips, images and audio to use in your video project. Media is added to your project in the order that you select them. So bear this in mind, the first and the last clips that you pick will be the first and the last clips to show in your video. You can adjust these later. Remember to give your project a name to easily identify it amongst projects in the future. When you're done, click Create. The blue button on the left allows you to add to your current project with media, titles or voiceovers. The box icon reveals all the assets currently in your video project. The main window you'll be working from is your preview window, which plays back all of your media content from your editing timeline. You can scrub through this by moving the blue dot or the playhead. Next to the preview window is the option button, where you can select which aspect ratio you want to use for your project, either landscape, portrait or square. The bottom part of the screen is where you will locate the editing timeline, where your video sequence is created. And from here, you can do things such as split using the scissor tool and duplicate using the copy tool, as well as move and delete your clips. Shortening or lengthening a clip is as easy as pulling the handles from the start or the end of each clip. The expand audio icon allows you to see the audio on each clip and make edits to the audio separately. The track controls icon allows you to lock, mute and hide tracks of video or audio. Additional fine-tuning to your video can be done with the adjustments on the right. From here, you can add graphic overlays, crop, add filters, transitions, and adjust the audio. Default titles can be added using the plus icon, but if you want to edit preset titles and styles, this can be found with the adjustments tabs on the right. Edit your text by double-clicking and selecting the Edit tab to change the font, size, color, and more. Just like a video or image, you can reposition, scale, rotate, or trim your title from the timeline. Although this contains many titles, from here you can also find other overlays to use in your project, such as animated transitions. Transitions can be added to the start, end, or between clips by dragging and dropping. Before applying filters to give your video a specific look, you need to first select the clip you wish to edit, and then either choose from the presets or create your own from the Edit tab. The intensity of these looks can be increased or decreased with the slider below. The Audio tab allows you to control volume levels of your audio. In Advanced, you can select Audio Duck, which is especially useful for music because it will automatically drop in volume when another piece of audio, such as someone speaking, is introduced. Transform gives you the flexibility to reposition, scale and rotate your clips, as well as crop them to give them a specific look, such as using split screens. Bear in mind with Rush, you can have up to 4 tracks of video at once, and whatever clip is placed on the top layer is the one that will be shown. Correct any mistakes using the undo or redo button. Once you're happy with your edit, use the Share tab to export your video, either locally to store the final project on your device or upload directly to social media platforms by signing in and filling in the information to post online.